back to my channel. My name is Samantha Moonshine and today I'm going to be doing an orange and blue look. So the products I'm going to use today, I didn't even plan that. I'm wearing orange. So I just got this eyeliner. This is like a, what do they call this? Teal. Aqua green. Oh, it is green. Orange and green. I did not plan this outfit, I swear. I just wear this shirt all the time because it's so comfortable. Puma. Am I gonna be able to get this off? Oh my God. Are you ready? Are we gonna do it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can I get a round of applause? I did it. And let's start. I've got the Afrique by Juvia's palette and I want to use this, I want to say it's called Dakar, this color here. It's beautiful. I'm also going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. So let's start with the orange from the Afrique palette. And so I'm going to use this flat, dense brush. It's a good size. I'm going to take that Dakar color. I'm using this for a mirror, so. And I'm going to do that on the lid only. Because I really want this to be quite shimmery, but I'm just doing this for color. And again. I'm going to do the other eye off camera so I don't waste time. So if you see that, that's why. I can't do one eye then the other. I have to do both at the same time. Otherwise I'll forget the steps that I did. I know. Okay, so that's it for the Afrique palette. Now I'm going to do the shimmers. These are all shimmers in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to use this more angled one because I want a little bit more control. So we're going to start on the, let's start on the inner corner and then make our way out. So I want to start with the most orange. And I'm not going to go right in the inner corner because I haven't decided what I'm going to do there. But just before that, wow, these shimmers are beautiful. I'm gonna do that on pretty much the whole lid, but not the whole lid. Okay, then we're gonna get this more burnt, reddy orange. I'm gonna do that towards the outer edge. They're very similar in color on the eyelid, I must say. There's not a huge difference because we've got that orange already down, the matte orange. So I haven't buffed it out or anything, that's intentional. We're gonna do that at the end. Okay, so I think I will go in with the yellow. I'm gonna use a different brush. I think I'm gonna use this brush here. There's no numbers on these, sorry. And I'm gonna go in with this yellow here. I'm just gonna do that in my inner corner so it blends a little bit. Buffing that one out. Yeah, buff it out. And then with that the second brush I used for the shimmers, this angled one, I am not touching it any more shimmers. I am just going to use it to I'm using it very lightly. So if you want your eyeshadow to go on lighter, hold it towards the end. If you want it really have more control, you do that. But to buff things out, you're naturally going to go in lighter if you hold it at the end, if that is an issue for you. And I am just lightly tapping that out so we don't have any harsh lines. In my video that I did with Vinny, my boyfriend does my makeup, he used these oranges And I was like, I need to use those oranges. So thanks, Vinny, for making me use them because they're absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I'm gonna take a little bit of this original orange here, just a little bit. Just so we have a lot of shimmer, you know? All right, so now I'm gonna do under my lash line. And I'm gonna get this, the one that I use the yellow for, because it's got a nice tip on it. And I'm gonna get my Afrique palette and get that orange. And I'm gonna do that under my lash line. And then I'm gonna get my orange shimmer shade, or should I go with the reddy one? I might go with the more reddy one actually. I think that'll look nice underneath. If you've got blue eyes, this will really make your eyes pop. So you're probably thinking, Sam, where's the blue? I know, I'm here. I really just wanted to use this as the blue. What we're gonna do is do this in the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna use my bronze on top. So I might do this one first. Okay. So it's nice, but it's probably not the most pigmented thing I've ever used, but it's nice. And now I'm just going to use some mascara. This is just called Fully Charged by Pure, or Pure. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so I finally finished. My eyelashes took forever, they wouldn't stick today. I think it's this new glue I've been using, the Ardell. I bought it because it's got the actual brush. I don't really like it. I feel like it's very finicky. It doesn't like get sticky. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I put on a lip and I set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish, and now we've got a look. It's more of an orange look. That's just how it turned out. I've got a lot of orange going on, but I love... For someone who's wearing a lot of orange, I really don't even like orange that much. But please give it a thumbs up. It's not my most revolutionary look, but I like it. Like, I would wear this out. Like, I think it looks cute. I have another video where I've tested out loose bronzers, which will be coming out after this video. So if you'd like to see that, I'll be testing out 2 loose powder bronzers. Sorry. And that'll be coming out soon because I have 2 different you probably can't tell, but I've got 2 different bronzers on my face. I'm trying my best to bring out more regular videos. It's actually quite easy for me to do videos here in the living room with a natural light. I don't have to do any setup, and my daughter can watch the television. So I might continue doing this. It's not the prettiest backdrop, but what do you think? Because it is easier for me to do videos here. I will see you next time. Have a great day. And as my mother would say, if you can't be good, be very good. See ya.